Yo. Good morning. Good morning. How are you guys? Yo, Rocky. Good morning. Good morning. How y'all doing, man? How's everyone's morning, man? Yo. What's good, Cap? What's going on, dog? What's good, Justin? What's good, Abdullah? Good morning. Yo, Daniel. Good morning. Good morning. How are you guys, man? Yo. What's good, Philip? What's good, Angel? What's good, Juan? What's good, Chris? Good morning. Good morning. How's your morning, man? Very interesting little pair here, huh? Yo, Danny. What's going on, man? Go from the gym again there. Hell yeah. That's the best sword, bro. Actually, I'm not gonna lie, I haven't worked out in 2 days, bro. In 2 days, I haven't worked out, man. I feel like I lost all my progress, bro. I probably haven't. Just being dramatic. Um, but definitely will be in the gym right after this call today for sure. I don't know. I was feeling like a little like not sick, but kind of like ish. So I was like, you know what? Let me just chill out for 2 days. And did that. But let's look here at some US30, man. Let's see what we got going on. So right around that same area from yesterday. So not I moved that. So not much has happened, right? So yesterday we ended up catching these cells here, which ended up being a wick on the hourly. See this wick right here, which if I go here on a smaller time frame, right, that's the same drop right here. Um, but yeah, ended up catching this play right here, which price kept going. Actually, let me see from where we got in. We got about 180 points, damn near 1 to 4 on that trade yesterday. That was that nine. Yep, 940. And we're right around this area again. And now we're currently retesting this resistance again. So if you guys notice here, right, we rejected it back here, tried to break above it over here, didn't work. Came back again, retested it, didn't work. Came down, came up again, retested it, didn't work. Price comes down, retests the same area again recently, and it's struggling. So for as long as I'm around this area, I'm not really too interested in anything. I'm pretty hands off right now. Um, I know I got here, this resistance area from up here. I got, perfectly these same highs over here. So we have all these areas coming in around what 595 basically. So honestly, even if realistically I want to take a buy, above this whole entire gray zone. Like realistically, I would like to wait till we even break these highs. But these highs are coming in around 840, no 880. Yeah, by then we could catch a 1 to 2. So, this box could be just a little too wide, like too thick, we could say. So I don't really mind that. That's why I put a smaller one here to kind of really outline what are the actual highs, which are right here. This box is just extremely thick for no reason. This box is about like, bro, almost 200 points thick. So I gotta fix that. I probably did on a higher time frame. So yeah, so I got these highs here coming around that 590, 595 more or less area. So I'll be honest, I won't really even really consider buys until we're at least at 610. Like at least 610. Ideally, I would like a 620. If I'm being honest, that'll be even a little safer. So boom, that puts me at 570. This puts this at 720 for a 1 to 2. Right. So ideally, this is kind of like the setup that I'll be going for here. I would like to see price really be above that area, and then we could potentially, continue on the upside here. I kind of would like a 610 just because it puts my stop a little bit more over here, kind of like around that 560 area. But we'll see how price reacts once we start either doing a push or doing something here. But for as long as we're right here in this area, below these highs over here, I'm not really doing much. I'm just pretty much waiting. And even sells, honestly, I won't really be too interested in sells unless, again, like, mm, ideally, yeah, I grabbed this area from yesterday. That's the area that we had used back here. I could kind of delete that. That was yesterday's problem, not today's. Um, so here I see that we have formed little new levels all throughout this area here. So if I was to grab, a line here or something and just put it across here, right, we get to see that resistance throughout here, support, kind of like a resistance, and look how we broke, retested that same area, used it as support. So that's kind of like a little minor 5 minute, we could say, area of importance that we have over here, that we have recently formed on this lower time frame. That's why I like analyzing all time frames, bro, because you get to see more details. Like this area you won't see on a higher time frame. You know what I mean? On a higher time frame, you'll probably see all the way down here type shit. So by the time you get in this trade here, you could have been had a 1 to 4, 1 to 5 already here and be done for the day. Because at the end of the day, trading is all about risk to reward ratios, not so much about holding the biggest move. Because you could hold a 1,000 point move, and if you only put $1 per point, you're only making $1,000. I could catch 10 points, risk fucking $100 a point, and make the same $1,000 in 10 points. So which with way less emotional damage than you holding that trade for 1,000 points. That's what people don't realize. That emotional damage like adds up, bro. Like over the years of you just getting emotionally destroyed every day, bro. Like one day you're gonna just wake up and say, "Yo, f this, I'm done." And that's why most people quit because they get to that point, unfortunately, and that sucks. But yeah, so I will be looking to take some shorts here, probably below this area of support that we have formed here in the smaller time frame. I'll be safe. I'll get around like a 430, get like around a 430 sell entry. I have around 480 on my stop loss here. We could have about 330 here on the TP, which brings us, yep, right around. Yep, look, perfectly. Wow. So remember that bots I had here? I grabbed it from these lows here yesterday. Look, that 1 to 2 comes perfectly at that same area. So I guess we could leave that bots there. See how shit happens. You see why I'm always saying the whole like, bro, price will always be pretty identical to how it was before. You just gotta follow it. But yeah, so that's pretty much game plan right now. So let's see how this market opens. I know we have a ref folder. One of my students told me earlier. I forgot which one of my students told me that earlier, but one of them told me that earlier. So to keep that in mind, ref folders means that there's going to be a lot of volatility in this market, which could be a good thing and a bad thing because there could be a lot of manipulation. So market could open, dump here, and then in 1 second, we could do that type of shit. So let's see, man. We got about 30 points spread here. Yeah, we got about a 30. Yeah, damn, 30 points. See, that's how you know we have in our ref folder. 30 point spreads. I don't really see those. Usually it's about like 20, 10, 30. Damn. Okay. All right. So we got that what 620. So that means I gotta take boom. See? Oh, it's about like 30 points down. It really is about like a 30 point spread. Holy shit. No joke. Okay, so stop with what for 30 here. All right, so buy stop in place, sell stop in place. And now we're pretty much waiting. So I really, for me to take these buys, I'm taking them a little sooner here. I'm betting on the fact that even if we break above these highs here, we should, even if we want to continue being bearish, we should retest previous area over here. So that's coming all the way up there. So price has a lot of potential even after this 1 to 2 to continue on being higher here. So we could reach anywhere here and still reject. So just because I have this trend line going down here doesn't mean that, oh, we got to reject perfectly here. No, we could come anywhere within here. As long as we don't break this high, we could be anywhere in here and still be bearish. So, that's why I'll take my nice little 1 to 2 on there, call it a day, see what's up. And yeah, man. Pretty rinse and repeat setup today on US30, man. Pretty identical to yesterday. A lot of the same things going on, a lot of just sideways movement. So let's see how we do today, man. At 30 point, dang. That shit really 30 points. I'm really amazed at that one. That's pretty high, yo. I'm not gonna lie. 30 points is quite a stretch, yo. How's that morning, man? I'm looking a little quiet today. What's going on? It's Tuesday, man. We need that energy, bro. It's the only way we're gonna win a trade today. No energy, no win. That's crazy. This what? Tuesday, Wednesday. Friday. Next week, Monday, I should have a little announcement for you guys. Give you guys a little sneak peek on something. I'm not gonna mention it here. I spoke about it on my LTE with my students on Sunday. But yeah, Monday I should have a rough draft on something I've been working on, and yeah, just give you guys a little sneak peek on here. Let's just say I'll give you guys a hint. Let's just say mm, we know that trading is 80% psychological, 20% actual charts. And everybody has always focused on that 20%, which is the charts. They have solely neglected the other 80%. So I'm just give you guys that hint. You guys will see soon what going on here. But yeah, it should be something dope. Should be something cool. Right on time for the holidays as well. Um, and yeah, should be cool. Should be dope. I think I even hit last night. Yeah. Bro, the Cavs suck. Man, no way. I forgot all about this and I fell asleep. Yo, I had the best ticket ever yesterday, bro, and that shit flopped by one. I had the Cavs being the Raptors. They lost by 11, bro. I don't even want to hear that shit, man. Donovan Mitchell shot sits for like 20, bro. Oh my God, sits for 20. Lonzo Ball shot 3 for 15. Oh, damn. All right. In this trade now. Wow. That was a market open push here. Wow. Okay. Let's whoa, 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 whoa. Let's relax here, buddy. What are you on? Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, 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 okay. See that you see what I was saying about that red folder and market open volatility? That's the crazy part with red folder. Red folders are cool, but you got those spikes market open. All right, let's relax. Out of here. Some of these are out of here. Oh, 6, 7, 6, 7. And let's see what we got here. This is our what 720 right there. Okay, what we got? What we got? Okay, we floating. We floating. Okay, we floating. How's it pushing here? Oh, there it is. I'm like, what the fuck? All right. Up 1 to 1. You know what? I'm gonna close this trade right here, buddy. Boom. I just closed right now. I'm right at the top of this resistance here. So I don't want to get caught up on nothing. Yep, yep. Give me that. Wow, 1 to 2 was right around here. This 720. This was a 1 to 2 right here. Uh, let me lose where I closed. So I'm not that. Boom. So that's about 1 to 2 right there. Nice little 1 to 1.3. Yo, same as yesterday. I got 1.3 yesterday as well. Damn, back to back 1.3s. Okay, I'll take that. I'll take that. I'll take that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Easy work. Easy work. Nice little 2.7. How we looking, yo? Nice little 1 to 2 just hit right now. So if you were just holding to that 1 to 2, it just hit right now. So you could close your 1 to 2 right now. It's okay. Nice little 1 to 1.3 for me. What you guys got? Took my 1 to 1. Got my 1 to 2. I was good. Fire. WW. Okay, for sure. Easy or what, yo? Back to back. Back to back. Same setups. Pretty similar setups here. We used the same area from yesterday. We took these sales yesterday. Now we took these buys today. Look at that, bro. Just pumping. Just pumping, dog. Tomorrow, why wouldn't I trade tomorrow? What's tomorrow? Tomorrow's a normal day, no? Holiday is Thursday, I think. Isn't it Thursday? Or is it tomorrow? It's Thursday, no? I'm not tripping. Now you got me tripping. Hold on. What you mean, twin? Yeah, it's Thursday. Not today. Not tomorrow, man. Easy or what? Dub or what, yo? Yo, drop some dubs in this chat, yo. I want to see a million dubs, yo. Let me see. How we looking, yo? W or what? W's or what, yo? Easy work, bro. Easy ass work, bro. You know, making me want to quit my job. Bro, quit that shit, yo. We're going into the new year, no job, yo. Fuck it. Stop playing. Look at that boy Noah over there. You haven't seen your ass in a while, yo. What you got going? That boy, look, A-Rap over there, my name. Damn. I think he hears me. Yo, easy, man. All right, man. Super easy. Nice and simple. Easy. Five. Easy, yo. Nice and easy. You see, this is how you compound, bro. You know, look, we won yesterday, went today. Now we compounded, chilling. Come tomorrow, grab a little quick 1 to 1. We know Thursday is the holiday. Cool, Thursday. Stay the fuck away. I'm telling you right now. Don't be a gambler. You know, like we know what we should be doing and not doing. You know what I mean? It's a matter of applying it. You know what I'm saying? So come Thursday, stay the fuck away, bro. Go eat your damn turkey. Go eat some damn chicken or whatever the hell you like to eat. I don't give a fuck. Just stay away, man. Don't give the money back. Okay? Don't give the money back. Okay? Once you take the money, you don't give it back. Okay? So take the money tomorrow. Stay the hell away from Thursday. If anything, I'll fuck around, stay the hell away from Friday too. Tomorrow might just be my own personal last day trading. You know what I mean? For this week at least, we got the Thursday banks are closed. Friday's Friday. I don't really like trading Fridays as a whole. So imagine with Thursday being off, Friday is going to be quite an interesting day. So nice and easy. Come next week, do it all over again. You know what I mean? Rinse and repeat, man. Rinse and repeat, man. So I love y'all. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. And I'm going to see your asses tomorrow. Peace.